Greetings long yumi everyone long Vanuatu. Mr. giving me greetings ya long call kita people play me long Vanuatu start long south also long I naichom Bombay ko kasem Torres and up long yumi long north. Blessing from God Bombay start with them yumi. Long tisia pagen mi pray me say tisia pambai mi one good year pagen also mi stop talk now ya I got one special event pambai mi come through long yumi pagen long tisia and me to do with them referendum
Pabalong number 29 May yumi got one national referendum lo country lo yumi. Now, referendum ya, means a voice for people. People must answer now. Parliament belong yumi, me pasem lo ya, parliament ni talem yes finish long lo ya o stap. Now we time belong yumi pusum government mo parliament ni pusum iko back lo people. People now only must talem supposedly folem wanem we parliament mo government decide only must vote yes lo em supposedly no folem. Memba must vote no against some government or member of the parliament.
One referendum, hemi one direct choice from all people. Hemi one democratic process when we very special. From hemi ask him you as a voter, as a member of the country, one member of the community. Long talem yes long one issue or no long one issue. Constitution hemi ask him. Say maskat referendum lo all special time when we want them change them one part of constitution. Lo change them all language, and then he got side law election, and number 3 part law hemi parliamentary system, and this time where referendum hemi to do with them parliamentary system. With them electoral system.
Me wanem say encourage everyone to unanimous them chance. You go forward to vote with them pride, with them excitement that you are lucky to be alive at this time. Blow make him decide about referendum. When we buy me make him nation blow yumi, one nation where me strong and me sabe go forward and then sabe deliver for the good of these citizens, as we are and our children in the future. So, Mr. Naplopesia, talem people of Vanuatu, say please, you take a chance, Lord. First, you vote Lord, national referendum, country you. Second, give him chance. Lo yumi got one strong parliament. Lo hemi sabe make him decision where me right. Lo country plo yumi. Lo make him country go forward for the benefit of everyone of Vanuatu. So me want to remind them everyone of Vanuatu. Say yumi got one day nomo. Every other day plo manage you sabe yumi plo you. But one day plo give him lo this country, the nation plo you. And me 29th of May. Remember 29th of May. You set aside that date. Put everything else aside. 29 May, and day long referendum.
Vote for you and me voice for you.
Vote for you and me voice for you.
Vote for you and me voice for you.
Vote for you and me voice for you.